The Smoothie Diet Review. In this video I will review the 21 Days Smoothie Diet. The Smoothie Diet helps people lose weight and keep off. You get nutrients from vegetables, fruits, and protein. The Smoothie Diet was created to help reduce obesity rates. The smoothies help you lose weight and keep it off. Get rid of excess fat and lose weight. Reduce your risk of developing chronic illnesses. Get started on a natural route to attractive face and hair. The Smoothie Diet has the best smoothie recipes. Smoothies provide a healthy dose of fruits and vegetables. You eat mostly or only fruit and vegetable smoothies. The benefits of this diet include weight loss in 21 days. Increased energy levels. Metabolism and improved digestion. Reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, etc. The Smoothie Diet has some few cons to it. It is not for people with certain medical conditions. Start the Smoothie Diet and achieve the best results. You have to consume smoothies 2 times a day. You can only have a solid meal 1 time a day. You will have a list of meals you are allowed to eat. The diet is a digital program and easily accessible. Click the link below to get the best deal for the diet. Subscribe to my channel to get more valuable content.